Hi friends, I'm Abhishek and watching my channel The Tech Abhi. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is header file, what is library function, why we have to write header file, what if we don't write header file in program. So let's start. So first question is what is header file? The header files are file with .h extension and contains the code for library function. See the syntax of header file. In syntax, we have to first write hash include and then in angular bracket we have to write the file name with .h extension. Second question, what is library function? Library functions are inbuilt function of C. This function performs specific tasks. There are some examples of library function. Printf. This function is used to print in C. Scanf. This function is used to take input. Clear screen. This function is used to clear previous output. Get.ch. This function is used to hold output screen. In my coming video, I'll tell you the use of this function. stdio.h is the header file of printf and scanf, and conio.h is header file of clear screen and get.ch. Third question, why we have to write header file? As I told you in the first question, the header files contains the code for library function. Therefore, if we want to use library function, then we should write header file. What if we don't write header file? If we use a library function without writing its header file, then program will show error. So let's try this in Turbo C. You can directly open code in Turbo C or you can open it in Notepad. I am opening code in Notepad. So first go to this PC, then C drive, then Turbo C, then bin folder and open your file. Here we use header file stdio.h and conio.h. So we will run program on Turbo C. Press Ctrl plus F9. The program is running. Now remove the conio.h header file and then try. The program is showing error. Clear screen and get.ch should have prototype. This same thing will happen when we remove stdio.h header file. Therefore, if you want to use a library function, you have to use header file. Thanks for watching.